Hello everyone, welcome to Fubble Games. We are going to be working on this wonderful StormCrow Ryokan. It'll just be a touch-up stream, so it should be no longer than 5-10 minutes. Basically, I'm trying to get back into getting the minis done. Trying to do a couple videos here and there. I'm trying to stay ahead of the curve because even though it's been a while, Wave 2 of the wonderful Kickstarter should be coming out in the next month or so, and if I don't get more minis done, I am going to be so overloaded with minis, it's not even funny. So, really, this will be just a bi-color touch-up on this one. Then I'll come back and do final touch-up and detail work. Like I said, so not much, just what I missed on the first go-around, really. And I missed quite a bit. Both underarms. My computer's complaining at me because it needs to be updated. But I'm going to do these videos quickly and try and get as much of this done tonight. Ugh. Pieces like that are what make this hard. You know, it's literally just a couple wonderful millimeters, not even a millimeter. So otherwise, I've just been, I guess I watched all the episodes of Invincible today, and then, I watched Kong and, whatchamacallit the other day. That was pretty good. Could care less about the humans, but the, Kong vs. Godzilla definitely was enjoyable. And then we also did. There's something else I did. Oh, I've been playing Outriders. I really actually like that. I just haven't live streamed it, like I do most of the other games. Probably because with all the network net issues, I didn't want to live stream it at the time. Until those got solved. And today it was pretty damn stable, so. Alright. That would be it for this mech. At least for this stream. Alright. And then what are we gonna move on to next? I guess we're going to do something else. Alright, everybody, if you enjoyed the content, please hit the wonderful sub button. I greatly appreciate any support the channel gets. But here we are. We're doing more mini paints. I just gotta edit these together and post them during the week. Try and get back up to having 3 or 4 days of content other than just live streams. Thank you. Greatly appreciate it.